Hello, everyone. In this video, listen carefully to each sentence. Pause the video after you hear it and try to repeat it aloud.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Market. Can I help you find something?
Good afternoon. Yes, please. I'm looking for some fruit.
Sure. The fruit section is over there, next to the bakery.
Thank you. Do you have fresh bananas today?
Yes, we do. They're on the top shelf. Would you like me to get some for you?
No, that's okay. I'll pick them myself. Oh, and do you also have apples?
Of course. We have red apples and green apples. Which do you prefer?
I'll take a few red ones. They look very nice.
Great choice. Is there anything else you need from the fruit section?
Yes, maybe some oranges. Are these sweet?
Yes, they're very sweet and juicy. They're on sale today, 2 kilos for $4.
Perfect. I'll take them.
All right. Do you also need vegetables?
Hmm. Yes, I need some tomatoes and a cucumber.
The tomatoes are fresh today. They're just beside the peppers.
Oh, I see them. I'll take a few. And one cucumber too.
Good. Do you need anything from the bakery section?
Yes, I'd like some bread.
We have white bread, brown bread, and baguettes.
I'll take a baguette, please.
Great. Would you like to look at the dairy section?
Yes, I need a carton of milk. Do you have low-fat milk?
Yes, here it is. Would you like 1 or 2 cartons?
Just one, thank you.
Do you also need cheese or yogurt?
Actually, yes, I'll take some yogurt.
We have plain and strawberry flavor.
Plain yogurt, please.
Perfect. Anything else before we go to the checkout?
Let me think. Oh, I also need some rice. Where can I find it?
Aisle number 3, just past the pasta.
Great. I'll take a small bag.
Do you need drinks?
Yes, I'd like a bottle of lemonade.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, I think that's all.
All right, let's go to the checkout.
Okay, thank you.
Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $22 in total.
Here's my credit card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN. Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.